Hey guys, good morning. Another day here. See if I can get some work done on the hatch. Big updates for the hatch. But today I'll be unboxing and installing the S1 rear control arms for the Audi drive setup. Um, yeah, I'll be showing you that. Yeah, I'll be driving on them for a while until I get all my parts together. I'll show you how to do that, what part you need to get. So if you want, you can just get the rear control arms and then put them on and put a stubby shaft axle in there to hold the bearings together. But I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second. Alright guys, this is the unboxing of the S1 builds rear trailer arms. These are Delta 7s. S1 builds. This is what I'm talking about, the stubby shaft, which holds the bearings together, which allows you to install them and drive on the rear hubs. Just hold the bearings together. I'll be installing these. Hopefully I'll try and install both of them today. See if I can get it done and hash this all here. So this is the box it comes in. Comes pretty well packed. Bubble wrap everywhere, so it comes. Make sure I'm not missing anything. S1 instructions. Please inspect the box computer being installed. Okay. I think that's. I got it. That's one clip. Boom, man. I believe that is everything that's in this box. I have the rear diff mounts in there as well. I won't be installing that as yet. Guys, these are the parts that come with it. I got these. They didn't come from this one. I got them separate. So yeah. Stay tuned. When I get the car jacked up and pulling off to the ones on the car now, putting these on, I'll start recording again. Alright guys, here we are removing the rear control arms, the rear trailing arms I should say. So you got these two bolts here, you got one here, you got two right here, and you got one underneath for the toe, for the toe. So I'll be removing all those and then I'll be showing you guys the install. Wait, that's it right there. So you got two there, one there, two there for trailing arm bushing, and then that one for the toe. Alright guys, this is the difference between these trailing arms. Here you have a toe adjustment on the body of the car, and here they made it so the toe adjustment is right there. So that's a stock one with the 5-lug conversion, and then that's the S1 built with the 5-lug. It's way lighter too. But when I install it now, I'll let you guys see the finished product. Yes. So it's so easy to install. So we got one here, then we just put those two there, and then this comes here and both sides. That 2/17 from there, you eliminate this one. So that's a lower control arm, camber, toe. Again, just one bolt here, lower control arm, your camber arm, and then your toe right here. Fairly easy. In less than 2 minutes I had it up. Wow, compared to the stock one. Loving it, loving it, loving it. That's on. Guys, moving on to the next side. So this is the opposite side. So this just installing this one and see if I can get clips of me putting it. It's kind of hard with the phone with one hand. I'll try. All right, guys. Alright, remove our process. Take off the camber bolt. Take off the camber arm. Take off the whole control arm. Camber bolt. The control arm bolt. Throw up and take off these. These two right here, so right here. So. It out. The 17 out, and you're gonna just pull, so low control, move it, and pull, the toe out. Easy peasy, just like that. Slide it away. Fix this one. Just look over everything, make sure everything's tight before you go ahead and just do that. Change this bolt. Even though I should be changing these too, but let's just work with the progress right now. This was the wrong bolt, it was too long, so now we're going to put in the correct bolt now. Cranking. That's good. All right. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy right here. This right here, so you guys can see. Right. So I take this bolt out. Take out low control one that was provided. These were provided from S1 with the kit, so we will definitely use them at your hardware. Face is up. So now we're gonna go here. That's the lower control arm. Okay, slide that in. Slide that in. LCA. In. Catch the nuts. And then all it is just one and two. And we're going to tighten them, run them up. See? And that's it for the install. As easy as that. 4 bolts. Easy, easy. And this is your finished product, guys. This will be your finished product. Alright, guys.